Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video I am going to be using Showgirl, toasted rose and some gold flakes, and I'll be topping everything off with super gloss. So this is another one of my short demos that I've decided to do because I feel like you can learn much more from them sometimes because you're dedicating the process to one thing, and then eventually we can combine these into a full set. But if I'm doing a full set, sometimes you might miss some of the information or you might not pick it up correctly. So I find these demos sometimes can be more helpful than watching a full set. So I'm going in first with Toasted Rose and Showgirl. So whatever powders you have available to use, then use them. That will make a nice opal marble kind of colour. And I'm just coming in with the Toasted Rose nice and wet and dropping in some of the Showgirl colour, and that colour's got the flecks running through that make it super sophisticated and beautiful. I'm allowing it to set just for a second. I don't mean set, I'm allowing it to self-level and flow just for a second, and then I'm coming in with my brush and swirling that product around. Once I'm happy, I'm using the belly of my brush to pat the side walls and just make sure that everything is finished nice and even, because I am coming in with some gold leaf flakes. So this is where we are at. It's so simple and so easy to do, and the finished result just looks absolutely stunning. So these flakes are available on my website. You can get them as individuals, and we will have a 12-piece set coming soon on the 16th of November, along with so many other new products which I'm super excited about. And I've just shredded up some of those little flakes, and I'm just wetting the nail with some monomer, and that is enough to hold those flakes in place because they are super thin and super fine. You don't really need anything more to try and keep those in position. Now that I'm happy with the position of the gold flakies, I'm coming in with Nail Mate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just going to encapsulate the entire design. You want to make sure you are encapsulating your designs because this is going to give it the strength but also protect the design that you have just created as well. I just wanted to let you know as well, guys, that I will list all of the products that I'm using in today's video in the description box down below if you want to go and check them out. The next step is to allow this to set, then you can file and buff that product, and then we're coming in with Nail Mate Super Gloss No Wipe Top Coat, and we're going to apply a nice layer and cure for 60 seconds in the Nail Mate Pro lamp, and this look is beautiful. You guys can see how stunning and elegant this is. I absolutely love it, and it's one of my favourite like simple but like intricate looking designs to do. I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this demo and learned something from it. If you try it out, don't forget to tag me and give this video a thumbs up and share it as well. I would really appreciate that. And as always, guys, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different because you've got this, and I love you. Mwah. Bye.